I'm Damien Cook from the Wetland Revival Trust. The Wetland Revival Trust is a not-for-profit organisation, and we work with traditional owners and the rest of the community to protect and restore valuable wetlands in north-central Victoria. We started working with Ken, Jill and local traditional owners in 2014 to turn areas that were irrigated paddocks back into wetlands by delivering water at the right time of year and planting locally indigenous species. Each individual wetland has specific habitat that the threatened species can use. So some of the wetlands are deep and hold water through the summer months, which is really important for the growling grass frogs. Some of the wetlands are shallow and they're really pretty much just seasonally flooded in winter and spring. But they are really productive habitats for feeding for the Australasian bittern. So we can manage the delivery of water into the wetlands for the specific needs of those threatened species. Wirra-lo wetlands are incredibly significant ecologically and culturally.
This is our supermarket here. This is a big part of our tribal ways. We need areas for our young ones to be taught on, like natural classrooms. And if we haven't got that, well, the next generation won't learn what knowledge we got.
So it's about restoration, but it's also about our restoration as Aboriginal people, so we can start healing.
The Wirra-lo wetlands sit on the floodplain of the Loddon River, and a lot of the country around here has been cleared and has been used for irrigated agriculture, and so a lot of biodiversity has been lost from the region. But Wirra-lo sits as an important habitat node on the Loddon River. So it provides this area of habitat, really important for the grey crown babbler, which is endangered in Victoria. Ken and Jill have been looking after Wirra-lo for the past 30 years and have been fantastic custodians, looking after the rare and threatened species that live here. And we want to carry their vision forward and look after the place. So if you'd like to support this fantastic project and make a donation, go to our website, the Wetland Revival Trust, and there's a donations page, and all donations are tax deductible.